Hi guys, so today we're going off to Bathurst, which is about 1 hour drive from here. Hopefully the weather will be a lot better because it's been pretty crappy here at the moment. And we're going to go off to the shops, do a few things, and I'm actually going to go today and buy a new iPhone XS. So we're going to go to one of the, what are they called?
JB Hi-Fi.
Electrical stores. Oh. I suppose I won't mind. But we're going to go off there and we'll get back to you when we get there, and we'll unbox it and show you how it all goes. So I'll catch up with you when we get there. Hey guys, we're back. So we've just arrived at Bathurst in the main part, where we're going to go off and from here and go to the shops, do a few things. You can talk if you want. It's okay.
I'm excited to go to the reject shop as usual.
Oh really?
And I want to get the Star Is Born as soundtrack.
Okay. Not worried about the phone.
I'm excited for you.
Thank you.
But I'm excited about my soundtrack.
Okay. Well, anyway, we'll get back to you guys when we buy the phone. We'll go off and do a few things. We won't film in the store because they might not appreciate that. But we'll get back to you with the phone and we'll unbox it and show you what it's all about. Catch you later. Hey guys, well, we got the phone. iPhone XS, 256 gigabytes, gold color, so we're about to open it. What's that noise? I think he's swinging them when I said that.
I don't know, I've never heard of it before.
So we got the phone. It's the back. See the gold colour?
Very nice.
That is nice. That's what I liked about it. I like the gold. So in the box we've got wall charger, earplugs, and a charging cable. So let's turn it on, see how we go. Taking a little while. It's quite a nice phone, isn't it?
It is.
I suppose I want it before what I paid for it. Take the cover off. Hello? I need English.
Oh, it came up first.
Shows up a bit, I'll just go with that. English. What's it doing that? See that? I thought this was supposed to be fast. It's not going very fast. Anyway, quick setup. Set up manually. I might have to put the SIM card in to do this. Okay guys, well I'll have to put the SIM card in and do all that stuff first, but just to show you what it looks like, I'll stop the video here, and then when I set it up I'll show you how it all looks with the apps and everything, and might put it on the gimbal and then take a bit of footage with the phone, and then we can see the phone footage through the video. Alright guys, get back to you soon. Stop that. No, it's not. So this is the phone, we've set it up, all ready to go. Quite nice. Love that screensaver shot. All the apps. I'm actually going to put this in the gimbal and then do a bit of footage on here so we can see how good the filming on this actually is with the back camera. So that's it all set up, guys, and I'm going to do a bit of a film now and I'll put it at the end of the video and we can see how well the picture quality comes out on it. So again, get back to you when we do that bit. Well, Elizabeth's just coming back now. She's just bought an ice cream from the ice cream parlour. Let's see how good the ice cream looks.
Chunky choc and cappuccino.
Oh, that sounds good.
It's good.
Keep licking that baby.
Oh, I will.
So let's just do a real close up of the ice cream and see how good the picture comes out. It's good that it's dark like this too, because then we can see how it actually comes out.
Oh, okay.
So should we go over to the park?
Yeah. Then you can get one of me.
I'll just stop the video there and then we'll go over to the park. Oh, let's have a video of you taking a picture of yourself eating ice cream. That's very good. How many did you take in? Couple? Very good. It's dripping already.
I know.
Okay, let's stop that there. Maybe not. Actually, those flowers look real good. They'll come out really nice. Don't swear.
I can't get the flowers in.
Very nice.
I couldn't fit the flowers.
Anyone got it in the bin yet?
Oh, hi!
I'm doing a YouTube video. Let's see who can get it in.
Hi, Mom. Subscribe.
That's your idea. Subscribe, dude.
Subscribe. Are you popular on YouTube?
No, I've only got about 83 subscribers.
Better than none.
It is.
Are
I know.
you from here?
No, we're from Blackheath.
Oh yeah.
I come up. I actually just bought the
Can I help
new.
you,
I just bought the new phone,
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
and I want to try it out, do a bit of footage.
Oh, nearly last one. Feel like we're
Maybe I could get it in.
feels like a carnival game.
I know. Help you, Zoe?
Oh, I like it. I don't like it.
Bounces in. Oh, you should let it go. That was going to go in. It would have bounced in. There we go. Oh, close.
Last go, I'll kick it in. How's school?
Nah. So, guys, subscribe to Sensei of Oz.
Subscribe!
Sensei, yeah, say it. Yeah, like the video,
Like
subscribe,
the video,
all that stuff. You
subscribe,
know what to
video.
do.
Subscribe,
Subscribe
comment,
And get the ball in, and don't forget to get the ball in the bin.
Yeah, and comment that we're awesome.
You are awesome. Thanks for letting me video you guys. I want to test it out on the new phone, see what the video's like. Oh, that was close.
Did you like buy it today?
Yeah, just now at JB. Yeah. Come on, someone's got to get in. Oh, maybe next time, guys. Thanks.
Bye.
See you later. I thought he got. Did he get it in? Oh man. As soon as I walked away, he got in the bin. Hey guys, well that's the unboxing of the iPhone XS, and that went pretty good. We've just done a bit of footage at the end. Had a bit of few kids there playing around. They got in the video, so I think that'll go really good. And don't forget, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Bye bye.